Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Rick. I just picked up this 2013 Ford Police Interceptor utility. I'm going to show you guys everything it came with. We're going to fully search it for goodies, weapons, equipment, and that possible biscuit. When you buy decommissioned law enforcement vehicles like these, you never know what you're going to find. We're going to put this bad girl to the test and fully restore her back to her former glory, all in one video. So hit that like button, and here we go. The 2013 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor utility, the purpose-built SUV that replaced the Crown Vic. Check it out, we got a Cetina push bumper with 4 Whelen ion lights. And there's a nice Whelen siren speaker. We're gonna test those out in just a bit. And if you look right over here, we have, say, Whelen V-Series light. Is this upside down? We're gonna be testing those out. We have ions on the mirror beams. We got the same on this side. This one is put on right. Whelen V-Series. And we got it's a little stiff, Whelen Par 46 LED light. It's missing on that side. But oh, check this out. This looks like some sort of Whelen visor light bar. Hell yeah. It's a nice little thin blue line emblem. Looks like it was some sort of police patrol vehicle. The graphics were removed. Some pretty nice tires. The wheel cap is missing on this thing. We protect. Looks like unit number 206. Look at these antennas. Look at this dirt bag pulling up.
Real quick, Rick, a little birdie told me he could use some caffeine.
Oh, yeah.
Monster.
Oh, I guess he's not a dirt bag after all. All right, let's take a quick look inside. This thing is full of goodies. I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. So this car actually came from Security Boy's old job.
Yeah, it actually patrolled private property to remove homeless people from private property or unwanted individuals.
And actually, that is the best kind of cars that you want to get, the private property cars. And I'll tell you guys exactly why. We got the Havis center console. We got some pepper spray. We got some type of Whelen and a Whelen traffic advisor. Yep, it's got the gun lock button. Kenwood radio with the mic. You got a little magnet right there. Awesome. Security Boy says at one point this was a CHP Explorer, and I think this thing kind of gives it away right here.
Here's some telltale signs. You have some sticker residue from where they put EA5 vehicle only. You have these reflective stickers, and you have its stall number or its unit number, which is 5575.
Speaking of CHP, check out this CHP Crown Vic door right here. I actually got this from the Crown Vic Museum. Actual CHP Crown Vic. Here's the reflector stickers install number that Security Boy was talking about. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. I want to keep it as decor, but it's super heavy. I can't hang it up anywhere. But how cool is this? All right, so we have some hand sanitizer. You know, this thing is actually flammable. It's actually the security company that was using this patrol vehicle. Protection and investigations. Did they actually do any investigating?
The only time they did investigations was on their own employees. Off-duty officers didn't have any of those. I was like, we're just security guards. There's nothing much to it.
Looks like they left their butt cream behind.
They didn't freshen up on the job?
Yeah, freshen up on the job. So actually not a bad idea. Antifungal liquid. A little bit in there. What the hell? Ew. I don't think that's... What? No, don't drink it. By the way, Security Boy helped outfit this car. That's something that he's really proud of, and he wants everybody to know. Oh, check this out. This is pretty cool. It's like a emergency window smasher and a seatbelt cutter. Nice little holder for it. For some reason this freaking seat's like loose or something. Oh shit, look at that. We got fruity gummy bears, but this thing is and we got handcuffs. These are not name brand, but they are metal. Oh man, this thing is broken. I shouldn't do this. Nope, doesn't work, but I bet you I have the parts to get it to work. So 50th anniversary Vietnam War veterans. That explains this. Who in the job was a Vietnam veteran? Check it out. Oh, this thing is warm. Been sitting there in the sun and it doesn't work. This is perfect for having around the shop. You never know what kind of weirdo is gonna pop out at you at any moment, especially here. So flashlight / baton. Bam! You guys hear that? For some reason, the whole front plate thing is missing.
Yeah, there used to be a center console.
Front center console. Yeah. But what I'm mostly excited about is these right here. I love visor bars.
They cut it so short they'll left.
Oh yeah, those bastards. Let's take these things off. All right, here it is. The Whelen inner edge for the Explorer, red and blue. Super sick and super bright. Now this thing is pretty dope. Some more deodorant. This guy must have had a big problem with perspiration. Did I say that word right? Some car parts, whatever this is. This thing is pretty cool. Ice safety solutions. Emergency supply water. Emergency meal bar. A glow stick. Emergency blanket. Poncho. Some band-aids. N95 mask. And a whistle. Interesting. This is pretty neat. Look, it goes deep down there. Laptop mount with the charging port or the charger. And we got a spider. Gotta watch out. That looks like a nasty spider. Looks like these guys were patrolling the cemetery. Spooky. Some type of Havis. Oh, let's get rid of this spider web. What the hell is this? Motorola. Does this go here or something? Oh, this is like a radio. Those are the radio connections. It's a siren. Or is it? But we already have a siren and a radio. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah. This is super rare. You almost never see this. This is the center console that actually goes right here. Right over here. Like that. And this is where the keyboard is. And like the computer screen and all that goes there. And it's by DNR Electronics Stat Console. And there's some type of charger right there. Biscuit. What the hell? Shit, how do I get in there? I'm gonna have to move this. Well, we'll get to that in a bit. Let's take a look under here. Oh, there he is. There goes that little bastard. Do you mind if I, actually, I'll back off. Hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe.
Prisoner transport. Don't remember that. Bail enforcement. Nobody ever did that. It's traffic control enforcement. Since when did security companies control traffic?
Type of keys. Somebody's missing these. I gotta decop this whole car, so the center console's coming out. Okay, this thing is dope. I really like this thing too. Now this computer mount thing, it's gotta go too. I gotta make the car look as civilian as possible. Now this thing is pretty cool. If only I had the computer for it. All right guys, now I'm gonna put the whole dash together. Just like magic. What a difference that makes. All right, now I can finally look in the glove box. Some more butt cream, medication. Yeah, this guy is sick or something. You should look at that. A little rusty, but they work. Peerless handcuffs, nice.
So this is what I noticed when looking in the sun. I noticed it said, "We protect." They spelled it wrong.
Right. It says protect. Let me guess, you did that.
That was not me.
All right, let's remove that push bar. All right, I got it off. This thing is pretty sick. So you guys ready for the first light show of the day? Let's do this. Oh, that is dope. That is so bright and not flashing. Either way, that is cool. All right, let's open up the back. Oof, this is like a K9 fan. It's cool in here. Maybe I'll try to hook it up, see if it still works here in a bit. All right, so much stuff in here. Is this? Oh, it is. It's a wraparound for this thing. Sick. If I can find the other one. This is sick. Okay, here's the controller for it. So I can't get it to come on because the fuse is actually broken. Since we're out here, let's go ahead and remove the mirror beams. Look at this thing. This thing doesn't even belong to this car. All right, here they are. Let's light them up. Let's start with the driver's side first. That is super freaking bright. Now the passenger side. That is just as bright. And here are they together. And just like I suspected, these belong to a Tahoe. Duffus.
Why is there always a weird rock in these security cars? Is it a good luck thing? You're definitely gonna need it working in a cemetery. Dude, I always find these, but I could never figure out where they go. If anybody know, let me know in the comments. Books of presidents. Well, we got Richard Nixon. Had a ex-girlfriend that used to call me Richard Nixon. Every time I was acting up, she would say, Richard Nixon is back.
My alter ego's name was Richard Nixon for some reason.
Garbage. Breakfast skillet. I should probably eat this if it hasn't expired yet. Oh shit, it doesn't expire till 2052. Nice. I should do a review on this. I'm curious. A newspaper from March 2021.
Bruh.
Freaking hot in here. Let's open it up. Light bulb with fans. What the hell happened to this? CHP certified copy. Who knows what that was? A bunch of other junk.
It's music time.
Whoa. Glucose control. Yeah, it looks like testing strips. Oh, what's this? Ooh, monies. We got $1.51. All right, let's see what else is in here. Junior officer CHP sticker. Premier Canine system. This probably connects with this thing right here. All right, let's test out the canine fan. Holy smoke. Woo, that thing is no joke. That's too much air. That's too much. I think the Duffus might have installed this backwards. How this dude has a job, I don't get it. All right, let's take a look in the back. Ooh, what the heck is this? Oh look, they even got the cutout for that thing. Freaking dusty as hell. Some type of wheeling. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, we got plenty of wire, so I'm gonna pull it out here safely soon. Minoxidil hair regrowth treatment. Shit, I think I'm gonna need some of this soon. I don't have much room to talk because, yeah, my hair's thinning out a little bit. How old do you guys think I am? Let me know in the comments.
By the way, guys, it is freaking hot today, and it's why I look like a cherry tomato. And where the hell is Security Boy? He straight up did a Irish goodbye on me.
Soldier for life. Oh, we got hideaways. Wheelin' lamp driver hideaways. Sick. Oh, shiznit. That is sick. And then I noticed there was other wires here. I think if I connect this to power, I'll change the pattern. Yep. Look at that. Wiring. This is plastic. Probably for airsoft. Some more wiring. Oh, this is the brain for that Kenwood. What the hell is this? Xantrex. I don't know what that is, but I will research it. Oh, look, they were nice enough to leave the actual front thingy. Let's see what we got here. Looks like a baton, pepper spray, or flashlight holder. Let me take this out. What the, bro? Look, check this out. I did not even realize this, but in this pocket, this thing, it is a freaking Mil X2 smoke grenade. And it looks like it's still intact. We must put this thing to the test.
But first, let's continue searching this vehicle.
Funny thing is, this is the second, maybe even third one that I find. These are pretty popular in these security cars. I guess they're good for summer. Oh, this is the gun holster for it. To random junk. Wires, lead pencils. Fire extinguisher bracket. All right, let's take this thing out.
So I ended up calling over my old security man. He knows a little bit about wiring, so he could figure this thing out.
Dude, what the hell? That is dope. What the heck?
I can't see.
I know. We had to do some crazy stuff to get this thing going.
I'm the wiring guy.
Yeah.
But you have to program because, yeah, it's an InterEdge RTX.
Yeah, InterEdge RTX.
Motherfucker, Jesus, I can't
But
see.
I can't believe it's all amber.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was like dual color, red and blue, but it's literally all amber.
That's crazy. All right, it cleaned her out pretty good. It's the first stage of cleaning.
And check out this interior crossmember thing. This thing makes it possible to withstand a 75 mile per hour rear end crash, which is freaking sick. And this is why the Ford Police Edition has a 5-star crash rating.
All right, let's start this bad girl up. What the hell? Dude, this thing is lit up like a Christmas tree. Whoa. Everything but the check engine light. Interesting. 269,000 miles. Yep, that's highway patrol for you. All right, let's look under the hood. Oof, it's looking a little rough down here. Clean, dirty, but clean. All right, guys, let's take this thing out for a spin. The seatbelt's missing. Let's go ahead and just catch it through this one for now. Yeah, this car is gonna need a lot of work. I'm gonna do it on my spare time. Cause look, I got all these cars lined up waiting for their love. And there goes my next search video right here. All right, let's take this thing out for a spin. Ooh, this has got some power. It's pretty good. Very good acceleration. Very smooth.
All right, now it's time to restore this bad girl and make her street worthy.
I pulled it into the paint booth. Let's go ahead and remove all these antennas.
All right, guys, before I show you the final results of the paint job, let's go ahead and put that smoke grenade to the test.
All right, guys, here it is. The Mill X2 smoke grenade. I don't know what to expect, so wish me the best, I guess. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah, here we go. I guess I just let go of this and... Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh, damn. Why would a security company need smoke grenades? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Where the fuck? Okay, come on, we'll get away from the smoke. Come on, let's go. What happened? Were you sleeping in there? Come over here.
I need some water.
Yeah.
Water. I need water.
Okay. Oh my
Oh
god.
God, am I gonna die? I guess.
No. That was a. I didn't realize you were in there. That's you got something to change into? Yeah, no, I heard a big boom and I ran over there to see what the hell was going on. Maybe your vape exploded or something? Yeah.
Yeah, do you have any water?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Put this on. It's an emergency blanket. Yeah, go ahead, cough it out. Okay, no. Are you gonna be okay? You want an ambulance or something?
No, I ain't saying that, Bill. No. Can I have some water?
Oh yeah, the water. Hold on.
Water.
Yeah. Don't worry, my friend's a paramedic for District 76. Yeah.
You need some more, ma'am?
No, that's not.
Okay. Here, you might want to wash your face with that. You'll have like a little bit of sud or whatever you call it. Stuff.
Soot?
Yeah, there you go. Not much better. Much better.
Yeah, much better.
Nothing ever happened, okay?
Oh, yeah, okay. Gotcha.
All right, okay. We're good?
I'm good.
All right.
We were never here.
Yeah, we were never here.
If you guys can't tell, that whole thing was a skit. She actually jumped into the truck after I threw the smoke grenade. She's more of a stunt woman, so don't feel bad for her.
Well, this thing got hot.
All right, are you guys ready for the results of the paint job? Well, here it is. This is actually a few weeks after I painted it. The weather was really bad. It was raining and windy, and it finally cleared up so I could finally show it off. Here it is.
Look at that. She's looking nice and shiny. There's still some parts that I need to order, but for the most part, she is looking good. Very good. Oh, this is on the way right now. But yeah, well, I'm gonna get it street worthy and sell her off to a nice family. So yeah, guys, if you like videos like these, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I am a one-man team here. I film, edit, I paint the cars. I do absolutely everything. Now, if you guys want to really support this channel, become a channel member. I'm trying to figure out ways to give back. Maybe exclusive videos, pictures, live streams, gaming sessions. I don't know. Give me some ideas. Can't keep up with the algorithm anymore. So make sure you guys hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.